Let us discuss question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So the number is two-digit number. In that, one digit is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? You don't know the original number, but only hint is what? That is two-digit number. Every two-digit number consisting of ones place and tens place. If you don't know that number, you don't know that ones place digit as well as tens place digit. So let us write, in units place the digit is B and in tens place the digit is A. We will assume like this. So let the digit in units place equal to B and the digit in tens place is equal to A. Therefore, the two-digit number will be 10A plus B. How you got this? Its place into digit. Its place into digit. That is the logic. For example, if you take 63. So 3 is in ones place. So 3 into 1 plus 6 is in which place? Tens place. 6 into 10. Digit into its place. Digit into its place. Same way, A is in tens place. So 10 into A is 10A plus B is in ones place. So 1 into B is B only. Because of that reason, I wrote like this. So this is our required number. If you know A value and B value, by substituting in this, you will get the original number. That means answer you will get. Next, given one of the two digits is 3 times the other digit. Here it is there. One of the two digits is 3 times the other digit. That only we copied. So let us assume one of the two digits. One digit is A, another digit is one digit is A, another digit is B. So one of the two digits, let me select one digit as A, is means equals to 3 times of other digit. Other digit is B. 3 times of B is nothing but 3B. Likewise we can select. Otherwise you can select B equal to 3A also. That is our wish. So A equal to 3B I selected. So one digit is A, that is 3 times of other digit is 3B. Say this one as first equation. Now come to the question. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number, add the resulting number to the original number. Interchange the two digits. That means B you write in tens place, A you write in units place. If you interchange, new number you are going to get as 10 into B is 10B plus 1 into A is 1A. So after interchanging the digits, resulting new number will be 10B plus A. Before interchanging it will be 10A plus B, but after interchanging it will become as 10B plus A. As per the problem, in the problem it was given, add the resulting number to the original number. That means after interchanging what the number you will get, that number is to be added to original number, so you will get 88. This is our question. So after interchanging the digits, you got the number as 10B plus A. So by adding resulting number to the original number, you will get 88. So after interchanging the digits, you are getting the resulting number as 10B plus A. So resulting number is 10B plus A. Add. So add means addition. So 10B plus A is the resulting number. We should add to the original number. Original number is 10A plus B. Original number means first number before interchanging, that is 10A plus B. So for this original number, we should add the resulting number, means new number after interchanging the digits, that is 10B plus A. So both are to be added. You will get 88. So 10A plus 1A is 11A. 1B plus 10B. 1 plus 10, that is 11B. So here also 11 is there. Here also 11 is there. 11 you can take common. So once if you take 11 common, so 11 went outside. What is left? A. So 11 bracket open, A plus means plus. So 11 went outside. So what is left? B is equal to 88. 11 is multiplying. It will goes to this side. It will divides this 88. 88 divided by 11. 11 one time. 11 8 times, which is nothing but A plus B. So A plus B is equal to 8 by 1. That is 8. Say this one as second equation. Now you observe, in first equation A is 3B is there. A is expressed in terms of 3B, and here the relationship between A and B both are there. So if you write a value is 3b, no? A value is 3b. A value, if you substitute here, wherever a is there, put there 3b, then automatically this entire equation will become as b, will become in terms of b only. So let us substitute first equation in second equation. Substitute a equal to 3b in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is nothing but a plus b, that equal to 8. So a equal to 3b is first equation, that one we are writing in the second equation. A equal to 3b means wherever a is there, put there 3b. So here in second equation, in equation number 2 we are writing this. That means a value we are substituting as 3b. So wherever a is there, we should put there 3b. So in a place we can write 3b plus b is equal to 8. 3b plus b, 3b plus 1b is nothing but 4b is equal to 8. So b is equal to 4 is multiplying, it will comes to this side, it will divide this 8. So 8 divided by 4, 4 one time, 4 2 times. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2 only. So b equal to 2. But in first equation is nothing but a equal to 3b. A equal to 3b. If you know b value is declared means 3 is multiplied with that b value, automatically you will get a value. So that's what we are doing. Here b value you got it as 2. So put b equal to 2 in equation number 1, that is a equal to 3b. A is equal to 3 into b. 3b is nothing but 3 into b. B value is 2. So 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. So a equal to 6. A value 6 and b value 2. In question they are asking us to find out original number. What is the original number? Original number means before interchanging the number. Before interchanging means original number is 10a plus b. A value, b value, you got it. So that two values you substitute here, automatically you will get the original number. So a is equal to 6 and b equal to 2. So original number is equal to 10a plus b. Don't substitute in the interchanging number, they are asking only the original number. So that is why we are selecting as 10a plus b. 10 into a value 6, 10 into 6 is 60 plus b value is 2. Substitute 60 plus 2 is nothing but 62. So 62 is our original number. Now if your answer is correct or not, checking process. What is the question? Question is fourth question only. So you observe it. In fourth question, what is given? One of the digits of two digit number is 3 times the other digit. One digit is 3 times the other. One digit is, see, number. Checking and explaining. 62. This is one digit and this is another digit. This is 3 times of 6 is nothing but 3 times of other digit, that is 2. So 3 into 3 times of other digit is 6. Next, if you interchange the digits of two digit number and the resulting number to the original number, you will get 88. Interchange the digits. 6 and 2 if you interchange, you will get 26 and original number is 62. If you add them, you should get 88. 6 plus 2 8 and 2 plus 6 8. So if you are adding, see, this is the original number, interchanging the digits, you will get 26. By adding this interchanging digits number and original number, you will get 88. So your answer is correct.